If you've noticed that your battery health isn't showing up on your iPhone, don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'll walk you through some simple fixes to get that information back on your screen. First up, let's check if your iOS is up to date. Sometimes outdated software can cause issues with battery health not displaying. To check for updates, go to Settings, tap on General, and then select Software Update. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Next, let's make sure that battery health feature is enabled. Head to Settings and scroll down and tap on Battery, then on Battery Health. If it's not visible, try toggling your phone off and on again to refresh the settings. Sometimes restrictions can prevent certain features from showing up. To check this, go to Settings, tap on Screen Time, and select Content and Privacy Settings. If this is enabled, check if any settings are affecting battery options. Now, if the battery health still isn't showing, we can try resetting all settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset preferences. Go back to Settings, tap on General, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Reset, Erase all content and settings. And click on Continue, and simply this will make your battery health appear. If none of these steps work, then and if you're still having issues, it might be time to reach out to Apple support. They can offer more specialized help for your situation. And that's it. I hope these tips helped you get your battery health feature back on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.